Hello, I'm Kubold and today I will show you how to retarget props from my animations to other characters in Unity. The animations are complicated enough that you can't just connect props to characters' hands. They have to be connected to special bones. Today I will show you how to add the bones to your character. In Survival Animset Pro, props are connected to special bones. Helper left prop and helper right prop. They are connected to the root bone and not to characters' palms. There are also IK left hand and IK right hand bones, and that are the bones which your character's hands will be connected to with IK scripts to ensure that your character holds the props correctly, even if he has different proportions than the original animation character. For prop retargeting to work correctly, your character's structure must be the same as my character's structure if it comes to naming. So first bone in your character needs to be root and the name needs to be the same, and then you'll need to have those 4 bones here. So as we see in Unity's character, there is no root bone, there is U and then joint car, and then there's no bones. So let's add those bones in Maya and change the root joint in Unity's character. Let's open the Unity character in other 3D software. I will use Maya LT for that purpose and change the structure so the props can be retargeted. So to open the character, I need to find the uCharacterRef FBX, the source files of this character, and click Show in Explorer. Then let's switch to Maya LT and drag and drop the character to Maya. Here it is. So first let's change the character's structure so it starts with the bone root. We don't need this U, so let's just click on joint character. That's the first character before pelvis. Let's click this and let's click and let's just unparent it. So I'll just drag and drop it to the empty field using the middlemost button and this unparented. So I can delete this U, I don't need it anymore. I'll just click delete and I'll rename joint card to root. Renaming the root joint to root is necessary for Unity to recognize the structure. So let's now add the prop bones. Let's click on rigging tab, let's click joint and click anywhere on the screen, then press enter. This created a joint, so it's very small, so let's increase radius to 5 so we'll see it, and enter. And let's rename it to helper right prop. Then we should press Ctrl D to duplicate the bone, and let's rename this new bone helper left prop. So now we have the prop bones. Let's connect them to the root bone. Let's select them with shift and then using middle mouse button drag and drop them to root. They are now connected to root. Now let's add the IK bones. So let's select the bones once again, press Ctrl D. Now we have 4 bones. Let's rename the first new bone to IK right hand and the second bone IK left hand. That's it. That's all you need. Now let's save the character. File. Export all and let's export it and let's overwrite the old character. Remember to have the animation selected and the form models, skins, blend shapes. Export. Yes. Let's go back to Unity. We can now delete the old model from the level and see if our new modified model has those bones here. Let's drag and drop, open, and yes, the root is named root and he has the bones that we added. Now let's configure the avatar by clicking configure, save the level. Here's our character. Everything seems to be normal except some stuff with fingers, but let's not do this now. Let's see if the props will retarget correctly. So done. It is now time to see if the props retargeted correctly. So let's add some props to the Unity character. We'll need the same props as this guy have, so let's just copy and Control D to duplicate the props, and we will snap the meat to the left prop of the new character and the stick point to the right prop of the new character. Let's select the props and zero out the position so they snap exactly to the bones that are correct for this. Make sure that the character has the controller assigned. Let's press play, and it is more or less okay, but there are no IK scripts assigned. The IK scripts will ensure that the hands will grab the props exactly. So let's do this now. To add IK functionality to the hands, all you need to do is to find the scripts folder inside Survival Animset Pro package and drag and drop the IK control left script and IK control right script on your character. So you have the scripts here. Now it's a very good idea to add an offset bones to the IK bones so you can modify the hands position on props. So let's go IK left hand, let's select the bone and create an empty child, and let's do the same for IK right hand. Let's name it IK left offset and this IK right offset. Now all you have to do is to drag the IK right offset to the IK control right slot as right hand obj and IK left offset to IK control left slot in left hand obj and select IK active. Now let's play, and you can see the hands are twisted. That is easy to fix, so let's just select IK right offset, and you can play with rotations to modify the hand's position. So usually it's 180 here and 90 here, and we can see this works. So let's just go right click and copy component, turn off the game, the zero out, so right click and paste components values, and this way we have the values from gameplay back to original. And let's do the same with the left hand. Let's see how it looks. Left hand is twisted also, so let's select IK left offset and let's see what we can do. This looks quite right, so minus 90, no, well, not really right. Like this. Yeah, something like this. Yes. And let's go copy component, paste component values. Now, as we can see, the character holds the prop but has the arm extended to its fullest. This is because this character has way shorter hands and shoulders than the standard male proportions, because this character is very cartoonish and stylized. You can't really fix the prop's position because it's connected to root bone, but you can lengthen the hands of this character to better fit the animation inside Unity. I will show you how. Let's save this since it already works, and let's go to Unity character and let's configure its avatar. Configure, and all you have to do is to grab the hand and literally extend it here. Make it a little bit longer. Same for the palm. And this should fix the problem. Go apply and done. Let's see if it helped. It helped a little. The hand is a little bit bending right now, so this looks good. Let's see the whole animation. Let's go to animator, unmute this, and let's make this as default state. Let's see. The props are retargeted.